Welcome to the Material Design YouTube channel. Material is a design system created by Google and backed by open source code that helps teams build high-quality digital experiences. Whether you're building for Android, iOS, Flutter, or the web, we have great videos to show you how to build beautiful products faster. Follow step-by-step tutorials digging into the design details and how to implement them in code in our Material Live sessions. Learn all about our components and design principles and hear directly from the team building the system, as well as teams building with Material Design. We dive deep into your design and development questions such as, when should I use a navigation drawer, bottom navigation, or rail for my app? And how do I apply color and type in my UI? We answer these questions and more in our Ask Material series. So tune into the Material Design channel, and don't forget to subscribe to catch the latest from the Material Design team.